Guys, how many times we have to tell you guys cannot subordinate right now?
Yeah,
What?
You haven't told us.
Okay, how many times we have to tell you guys cannot subordinate right now? How many times we have to do that?
We live in Delray, we just came.
Okay, listen, sir. The next time we see you, you know what we're gonna do?
We're at Sierra.
We're gonna call the police on them. And they're gonna come out there. We don't know what's gonna happen. You guys cannot skateboard anyway. That's a private property. There is no one allowed to skateboard anyway. You understand that? You guys have to leave. And you cannot. Yeah, you guys have to leave. Make sure you guys are not using them. If you're using them in top, so you guys are in trouble. Let's get it, six. What is that?
I got that on film. I love feeling that.